happy Mother's Day. Wish we could be a little bit more comfortable outside, but it is hot and humid. Fair skies, 86 degrees on the west side of Corpus Christi right now. South-southeast wind at 21 miles an hour. And back up in Beeville, even worse out there. Yes, fair skies, but 90. It feels like 109 out there, though. Southeast at 15 miles an hour. And we made it up to 88 degrees officially today. Morning low of 77. But as you know, it felt a lot hotter than that. Right now, the peak wind gusting 29 miles an hour. But in parts of the area, it's been gusting to 40 today, right off the water. And speaking of the water, tomorrow, if you're heading out there, well, you can look for partly cloudy skies, mostly cloudy in the morning, mostly sunny in the afternoon, and a high around 80 degrees. Now, the southeast wind 10 to 15 knots will make for slightly choppy bays, seas at 4 to 6 feet. UV index is high. The rip current, which was risk, was high today, moderate tomorrow. Check out the water temperature. Remember, this is only May, and it's already up to 80 degrees. It's going to be warm out there. That water is looking pretty nice. Big storms erupting over East Texas, moving away from us, but there's another storm system developing, couple more in fact, one in the southern Rockies and emerging into the plains. Strong thunderstorms there, but a second, more potent system right now up in the Pacific Northwest, diving southward and then moving across by the middle of the week, the southern plains, and that will do two things. First off, it'll bring some of this cool air down. You can see 60s in the southern plains right now, triple digits down in South Texas. The second thing, it'll give us an opportunity for significant rainfall. Here's what we have. Temperatures, the coastal areas in the 80s, 90s in the interior, and Cotulla right almost at 100 degrees. That's the air temperature, but with that south-southeasterly wind really howling the next couple of days, it's bringing in more and more moisture, keeping things humidified, and so our minimum temperature tonight only in the upper 70s, near 80 degrees along the coastline. That's the low. Tomorrow's high, upper 80s again here in Corpus Christi, middle to upper 90s in the inland areas, and as you know, doesn't even begin to tell the story when you're talking about triple-digit heat index values, not only tomorrow, but Tuesday as well. That's when you start to see some changes, though. That front coming on down, that cold front will bring a rain chance and much milder conditions for the second half of the week. But between now and then, you've got thunderstorms developing out in the hill country and the Edwards Plateau. That'll be Monday afternoon. By Monday night, some of those will make it to us, and then by Tuesday, quite a bit more as the second major disturbance moves into range. Good chance of rain and thunderstorms Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then over the weekend, a second disturbance moves into range and gives us another opportunity for rain. So how much rain are we talking about? Well, it all depends on which model you believe and where that rain's going to fall. Right now, the optimum rain condition is going to be out in the hill country and the Edwards Plateau, which is perfect for us because of our watershed is out there. We are looking at the best chance of rain Tuesday night into Wednesday, and again Saturday into Sunday. Mild and dry the second half of this week.